The WeShape Tech pathway provides people from all social backgrounds the opportunity to get their foot in the door in the tech industry. We provide a fully funded bootcamp with our partner Wagon, who are a global award-winning academy. We then look at one-to-one mentorship, both on a technical and leadership level. We work with you as an individual, get to know you, get to know how we can help and get you to your goals quicker. And then we obviously give you the opportunity to work on global leading projects with a wide variety of clients.
On the journey so far, I've learned how to build applications, but not just that. I've learned about the industry and how to carry myself in a room full of established people. I've learned how to communicate. I've learned how to problem solve. I've learned that it's okay not to know everything. The WeShape Tech pathway have provided a lot of opportunities. They have a lot of networking events, so I've been able to network with senior engineers, CTOs. Internally, I've been afforded opportunities to present, to work on my own projects, and my ideas are always welcome in the room.
So the pre-course support that I received was I got partnered up with someone that's already been through the course at Wagon, and he was able to show me, some of the stuff that I'm going to be doing, and I was able to see some of the stuff that he's been doing currently. I'm ready for part of the team. It made me feel welcome, so comfortable, and I'm just excited to see where the future goes.
The mentoring has been phenomenal. I have two mentors, one mentor focused on tech and another mentor focused on leadership. So building and developing those two aspects of myself with WeShape has been really, really good, and the experience has been amazing.
The WeShape Tech pathway doesn't require previous experience or qualifications or degrees, but just a passion for technology and a hunger to learn.
What we're really looking for is a genuine ambition and motivation to succeed in learning how to code. We have had students aged between 18 to 60 completing our boot camps, and we aren't limited by educational prerequisites like most traditional academic routes into careers. We firmly believe that everyone has the potential to learn to code. It all depends on their level of motivation, commitment to upskilling, curiosity to learn a lot of technical things, and their understanding of how to collaborate with others during their learning experience and in their tech career afterwards.
The WeShape Tech pathway, with regards to candidates, we judge on ability, not background. So we encourage people from a completely diverse social background to apply, but what we look for is hunger, drive, ambition, and passion. They're the core areas we look at. The rest we can help build with you.